Mad dash in the rain to get to my IHOP order. I forgot my mask. So I'm running back to the car while the rain is pouring so that I can get it. Woo! This is behind the scenes, y'all. Alright. Made it to the landing. Let's go get this food. Two orders.
Can I see the name real quick?
Sure.
You to sign these tickets for me. These just state that you picked them up.
All right.
Anywhere on them is fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too.
And how you tell the difference right here on the brown bag, it should be right here at the top.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Head to your drop-off at 26:00. Head to your drop-off at 26.
Alrighty. First customer, here I come. Let's deliver.
In a quarter mile,
One
make a
down
left turn on Woodlake
and
Road.
one more to go.
In a quarter mile, make a left
I
turn
have
on Meadow Brook Drive using the
16%
upcoming
battery.
lane.
So I think this is going to be the last order for this morning. And then I have to decide, am I going to go to a supercharger or am I going to go home
Using the left
and
lane,
just
make
charge
a
my
left
battery
turn
a
on
bit
Meadow
up
Brook
there.
Drive. Using the left
With it
lane,
being
make a
raining,
left
to be
turn on
honest,
Meadowbrook Drive.
I don't really feel like going all the way to the supercharger, but we'll see. We'll see. Like and subscribe, then go for a ride with me